Namaskara everyone, Andariki Namaskaram, Ellargu Swagatam and a very warm welcome to Rankplus JEE English channel. This is me, your educator Nabamita Ma'am, and today I am here to tell you about the 2025 BIPC EAPCET complete details. Which are the chapters that you need to study for chemistry, which are the chapters you need to study for physics, which are the chapters you need to study for botany and zoology, everything, all the details I'll be giving it to you in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So please watch this video till the end so that you get the optimum and the ultimate benefit from this video. Just this one video, everybody. So let us start without much further ado. Now you know that this particular exam that you have, it has 160 marks in total. And out of the 160 marks, botany has 40 marks, that is biology has 40 marks, chemistry has 40 marks, physics you get 40 marks, and maths you get 40 marks, right? Yes, this is how it goes. Okay. Now everybody, you all also know that one question here is equal to 1 mark and there is no negative marking at all. So ideally, it is actually much better than your J mains, because in J mains, even if you attempt a question and suppose if it is wrong, you get a negative marking, but here you do not get any negative marking. Everything is very sorted here, right? Now let us come to chemistry section wise weightage. Why am I going to start with chemistry? Because hey, I am a chemistry teacher, that's why. So in physical chemistry, you get 12 marks, right? In organic chemistry, you'll be getting 14 questions of 14 marks. In organic chemistry, 14 question, 14 marks. And the total marks that you will be getting is 40 marks from these sections, right? Now let us talk to you about the chapters that are most important and how much percentage of questions you can expect. I'll tell you what each percentage also means, right? Okay. So from P block, you can expect 2 to 3 questions. That is why it's 9% written. Atomic structure and chemical bonding will give you 8%. So 2 to 3 questions again. Solutions may 7%. Periodic properties will give you 5%. Hydrocarbons will be 4%. Gaseous and liquid state will be 4%. Thermodynamics 4%. Polymers 3%. Carboxylic acid 3%. Chemical kinetics 3%. Solid state 3%. F block elements 2%. That means only one question. Wherever 3% or 2% is written, expect only one question. Metals and metallurgy 2%. S block chemistry is also 2%. Moving on, aldehydes and ketones 2%, alcohols 2%, haloalkanes 2%, haloarenes 2%, surface chemistry 1%, mole concept 1%. That means either these two chapters may exist in your paper or they might not exist as well. Okay? Alright. Now let us come to physics. Okay, in physics, from mechanics you will be getting 15 marks, from electricity you'll be getting 12 marks, from heat and thermodynamics you will be getting 6, from modern physics you will be getting 4, from waves and optics you will be getting 3, and totally this becomes 40 marks. Okay, now let us take a look at the physics chapters, everybody. From thermodynamics you can expect 2 to 3 questions, so 9%. System of particles and rotational motion 6%, that means 2 questions. Work, power and energy 2 questions, 6%. Moving charges and magnetism 5%, so 2 questions again. Laws of motion 5%, 2 questions again. Motion in plane 5%, 2 questions again. Current, electricity 1 to 2 questions. Electrostatic potential and capacitance again is 1 to 2 questions. Waves 1 to 2 questions. Gravitation 1 to 2 questions. Oscillations 1 to 2 questions. Ray optics and optical instruments 1 to 2 questions. Communication systems 1 or 2 questions. Semiconductor electronics 1 to 2 questions. Okay. Moving on, nuclei 1 to 2 questions. Dual nature of radiation and matter 1 to 2 questions. Alternating current 1 to 2 questions. EMI 1 to 2 questions. Electric charges and field 1 to 2 questions. Motion in a straight line is again 1 to 2 questions, and units and measurement 1 question from here. Okay. All right, guys. Next, now let us come to botany high weighted chapters. In botany, you see plant physiology is 5 to 6 marks. Cell structure and function 4 to 5 marks. Structural organization in plants 3 to 4 marks. Molecular biology 3 to 4 marks. Diversity in living organisms or in living world 3 to 4 marks. Plant ecology 3 to 4 marks. Reproduction in plants 2 to 3 marks. Plant systematics 2 to 3 marks. Internal organization of plants 2 to 3 marks. Genetics 2 to 3 marks. Biotechnology 2 to 3 marks. Microbes and human welfare 1 to 2 marks. Moving on to zoology. In zoology, human anatomy and physiology will get you 15 to 16 marks. So if you study just this chapter, you are pretty much sorted with 50% of the zoology paper. Animal diversity 4 to 6 marks, 4 to 5 marks. Human reproduction 3 to 4 marks. Structural organization in animals 2 to 3 marks. Diversity in living world 2 to 3 marks. Biology in human welfare 3 to 4 marks. Evolution 1 to 2 marks. Applied biology 1 to 2 marks. Locomotion and reproduction in protozoa 1 to 2 marks. Genetics 1 to 2 marks. Planeta Americana type study 1 to 2 marks. Okay, so these are the most important chapters, everybody. If you want me to give you the details, then I can give it to you in the Rankplus J English Telegram channel. Make sure that you join the Telegram channel so you again get the ultimate benefit from this channel. Now, what is the strategy to get 99 percentile in EAPCET? See, it's very easy. It is much easier than your JEE mains. So I'm going to tell you just one thing, everybody, that always first start with the high weightage chapters. Once you are thorough with the high weightage chapters, once you are thorough with the and with the formulas, with the problems, with the mind map of the chapter, only then you can go forward with the moderate weightage chapters and then go for the low weightage chapters, right? Daily you must practice 20 questions per subject, 5 questions at least you must practice, and always solve the PYQs. As many PYQs as you solve, you will be able to climb the ladder and you will be able to reach the 99 percentile club easily, everyone. So what are you waiting for? Go start with the studying. Yes, and I will see you very soon, everybody. With this note, thank you so much. This is your educator Nabamita Ma'am signing off from today's session. I'll see you all very soon. Stay connected with me in the Telegram channel, in my Instagram, or wherever you want to. I am here everywhere. And if you want to stay connected with me, this YouTube platform is also absolutely fine. You can comment and I will always answer your comments. Okay? So see you all, everyone, and all the very best. Study well, guys. Rock your EAPCET papers as well. Bye.